What's up, task ninjas?
Yeah, boy.
I'm back, and yes, this one is hot. Have you heard about Handshake AI? If not, relax, I've got you covered. This is one of the newest gigs in town, and it's knocking on our money door. Let's not waste time. Let's jump straight in. Handshake AI is just like other AI training platforms you already know. Outlier, Remo tasks, and those other places that turn clicks into cash.
Money.
Now the big question, how do you get in? There are two ways to sign up. And no, you can't cheat. And use both. Option 1, you've got A, email. Yes, student life finally pays off. If you're a US university student using your school email, you don't need to verify your ID. Your school already said, yeah, we know this person. Just enter your details and walk right in like a VIP. Option 2, regular email, Gmail gang, this is you. With this option, you'll need a valid government ID from your country. After sign up, Handshake AI will verify you through persona. Simple, but no skipping steps here. So how do we enter this new online office?
Welcome, welcome.
Open your browser, search Handshake AI, and click the first link you see. Once the page loads, hit Become a Fellow. Enter your email, and now comes the fork in the road. Choose one path only.
Just pick one. They all cost the same.
If you're using a student email, you may be asked to select your school, or you can skip that part and move on. If you're using a regular email, follow the instructions and complete the ID verification. Once you're done, boom, you're in. You'll see tasks ready to go, and some projects that need quick assessments before you start earning. Not bad, right? Task ninjas, we don't miss. Yes, this update came a little late, but don't worry, the year is just getting started and the opportunities are lining up nicely. Happy festive season to you all, and as your festive bonus, smash that subscribe button so we keep meeting here for more dollars. Catch you in the next one.